Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 1st, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So the Aussie dollar pushed up pretty strong. It almost kind of invalidates this as an ABC to me. Actually, now it looks like this is the ABC. I was thinking this was going to be a 1, 2, 3, but if it was a 1, 2, 3, it needed to maintain downward momentum, making small pullbacks along the way. But instead, what it did was made three pretty equal sized waves, or like one wave and then a correction and then another equal sized wave. So that is more the shape of an ABC than a 1, 2, 3. We have non farm payroll news coming out this week. So whatever happens over the next couple of days is likely setting itself up for that. I'm almost kind of thinking that maybe this is going to end up doing something like this and just continuing the higher time frame uptrend. So on the shorter time frames, like the 1 hour time frame, I would have my Fibonacci on this little move down right here because this looks like a complete uptrend right here. And this might even be like a wave A, and we might be in like a very overlapping pattern for like a wave B, and then probably back down for a C. Now, I would be a little bit cautious with trying to short this wave C because it doesn't really necessarily even have to make a big wave C. It could very easily just continue the uptrend. So we do have to be a little bit cautious with our shorts, especially because, like I said, this is definitely more the shape of an ABC. I would definitely be more focused on longs right now. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.